What's good? What's good? It's your boy Aristotle, Ari with the Rari Full Throttle. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays. I have now moved to Puerto Rico, so I'm officially here. But y'all know what it is, man. Leave me a like and a comment. That's all I ask you guys in exchange for all the game that I'm about to give y'all. Now I got two plays that I like because it's not a good setup week for swings. Day trading, there's always opportunities. But for swing trading, I'll just share with you guys the two plays that I'm personally watching. I only have two setups. I scan the whole market, and I'm going to keep scanning. So if I see something, I'll post it in Honey Drip. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, y'all know what it is, man. Leave me a like and comment. I'm going to give you guys exactly what you deserve. I ain't going to hold you guys' time up any further. All right, so my blessed people, what do we have here? I'm not really concerned with all this data and stuff until, it's like CPI or anything like that, stuff that's going to really move the market. So nothing really going on too crazy next week. No earnings, for real. Let's see. This is a good one, though. My member in the Honey Drip made 115K year to date off the chat. So y'all know what it is, man. 17K in a day. Check him out, 264K. So look, everybody be wondering, like, do your strategies work? Do your strategies work? Do they? See these games? And it's just, last week, everybody eating. You get what I'm saying? Everybody eating. So yeah, tap in. Make sure you guys click the link in the description if you want to join the team. And then, yeah, y'all know what it is. I think we have even more games because everybody was eating last week. Yep, 5 days ago. This was earlier that week. Look at that. If you look closely, everybody eating, man. My girl Simone B, check her out. Tech girl, killing it. So come eat with us. Y'all know what it is. So many games. And let's get into it. First of all, let's look at SPY. Where's the market going? Again, we're near all-time highs. I got a lot of MAs up, so let me delete the MAs. Purple line, 50 MA, 100 MA, white line. Got some more crosses coming back up. I don't know, man. I'm thinking we just keep trending upward. Again, this looks like a repeat of 2018 when I'll delete these comments or these MAs real quick. This looks like a repeat of 2018, early 2019 right here. This was the trade war with Trump and China, and then literally 1 day of bear market. 1 day. And then boom. So the market fell 20%. This was exactly 20%. And then recovered all the way to all-time highs. So it looks like I was right on my prediction. I even banked on this to happen. 1 day of BS. And then I bought the dip, banking so far. Looks like we're heading to all-time highs and further. And then it may be a repeat of how 2020 was, where after we get a little bit above resistance, crash. So that's my theory. Let's look at BTC real quick. Acute test of all-time highs back below, so we can add our new line of resistance here. Pump fake all-time highs. So, I bought the dip personally down here. Me and my chat, we bought the dip all down here and, made a lot of money. But again, I tell people if it does this little 1-2 one more time, keep stacking. You get what I'm saying? And if it decides to retrace, in the 50,000s and all that ever again, it'd be a huge blessing for a lot of people. I mean, a lot of companies are going to run it up. It's just going to, I ain't going to lie, they do that again, I'm going to throw in some crazy money again. And then, because I threw in some crazy money about right here. I threw in about 700K and then profited 250K just from this move to right here. So, if I go down here, I may throw in an M. And that's going to, not only is that M going to double, that M going to double. It's going to be about 2 million. So, yeah, I would love for them to do that again. I know for a fact, minimum, I'm throwing in an M if they do that again. Come down, even right here in my box area. It almost did. Comes down here again, do it again, folks. So that's all I got to say about Bitcoin, QQQ. Nothing really going on. Nothing really going on, folks. Another one that I think is just heading to all-time highs. Now, before I give you guys the plays that I'm watching, I'm going to put a special link in the description. All right, you can come in my chat and try it for literally $10. All right, I'm only offering it for 50 people. So first come, first serve. All right, all you got to do is literally, if you're on Instagram, DM me the word trial or comment the word trial under it. And if you're on YouTube, I'll post a link and I'll pin the link in the comments. And if you're on X, I'll pin the link in the comments. All right, folks. And if you're on Instagram, you know what to do. So let's get right into it. We have Spy. No. This is the first one I was watching. MPC. Now, MPC, why do I like MPC? Because of this triangle breakout. It's like a pennant. I'll show you guys what a pennant is. It's like a small triangle. I probably butchered all that. But yeah, basically, it's like a run up, then a little small triangle, uptrend, and it breaks out. See that? Triangle type thing. Everybody see that? So that's all I'm seeing right here is a pennant chart pattern on MPC, uptrend, could continue. Looks like it wants to. Broke. Now listen, it's a triangle, so it's bilateral. It could go in either direction. Broke above here. Nice pennant pattern. Could continue. All right. And then the next one I'm watching, only two of them, is BA. Flag pattern. Another one that broke out of a nice level of resistance that I wish I would have caught. I wasn't even thinking about this. Pretty nice level of resistance it broke out of, especially this day. This day right here was like an easy swing day. This day was May 8th. Dang, we're late to the party, folks. But, this bull flag pattern could be a continuation. So this could be a continuation to highs, at least to this high right here, to be honest. Just based on the history of bull flag patterns, like we can measure, it's a long flagpole. That's why I'm saying it could, you can measure whatever flagpole you want to start it at, but I doubt it'll be this flagpole measurement. So let's say it starts where the gap is. And then we move that flagpole here. It's projected to go higher, so we shall see. And it's literally the same pattern that I had that I can press back on. This pattern right here, bull flag. Breakout, it already broke the flag. See what I'm saying? So if we look closely, breakout right here, already broke the flag. And this thing could continue upward. And that's all I see, folks. Hope you guys have a great day. I ain't gonna hold you guys too long. I'm about to do me some studying. I'm about to start me a streaming channel. Cause why not? I'm out here in Puerto Rico and it's love. So I'm gonna start me a streaming channel. So follow me on Twitch at Aristotle Invest. So not investments, but just invest. All right, and then subscribe to my chat if you guys want to get this money. Oh, let me show you guys this as well. My win rate last week. Swing trade. Look at that. 7 for 8 last week. And then I went 5 for 6 the week before that. See how they posting the Puerto Rican flag? So look, ain't nobody doing it like me right now on the signal calling aspect. I'm just a beast at it. The best in the game at it right now. Can't even lie to you. You know, I hate to say, hey, I'm the best. But right now, I'm the best signal caller in the world. Nobody is, you know, able to text signal at a win rate as high as I am right now. Just being all the way thoroughbred and honest with you. I'm typing them out and them things hitting. So y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Aristotle Investments, R with the RAR. Nobody does it better. If you really want to make money, you guys seen the gains that I make people. I'm consistently helping people win. If you want to tap in, you know what it is, man. For $10, everybody gets to come in and try the trial. All right, God bless you guys. I'll see you guys next week.